Meaning of habitation.
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 Habitation. The term habitation refers to a place where someone lives or a dwelling. It often refers to a permanent or long-term residence, as opposed to a temporary accommodation such as a hotel or a tent. Habitation implies that the place is habitable and suitable for human occupation, with adequate facilities and amenities for daily living. Whether it's a house, apartment, or other type of dwelling, habitation refers to a place that people can call home. Overall, the term habitation encompasses the idea of shelter, comfort, and a sense of belonging.